Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk-around. This is the 2013 the Cadillac Escalade. Stock number on this vehicle is 7317A. Let's give you that virtual video walk-around. As you can see, we're going to show you the exterior and the interior. Take notice of the exterior condition. No scratches, no dings, no dents. Rear power door, as you can tell. Ample cargo space for maybe luggage. Third row seating. Who doesn't like that? Of course, it's fully loaded with heated seats and all the power options you could imagine. And we're going to take you and put you in the rear interior. Got all that leg room. This vehicle has had a 150-point vehicle inspection completed for peace of mind driving. Seats will fold down for extra room. As you can see, a moonroof. We're going to put you in the driver's seat right here. Super low miles on this 2013 Escalade. Gorgeous color, gorgeous interior. Easy access to all the controls, as you can see right here, within arm's length. She's not going to last long. For more information on this Escalade or any other vehicles in our inventory, give us a call, email us, text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.